Organic learning.
Today, we have several assignments that require vehicles of different colors. The first color we need is yellow. Can you show me all of the yellow vehicles? No, this is a blue bus. Right now, we only need yellow vehicles. Can you show me a yellow vehicle? Perfect! You chose the yellow excavator. He'll be great on this job. Can you show me the other yellow vehicles here? No, this is a green dump truck. We don't need him right now. Which other vehicles are yellow? Great job! You chose the yellow bus. There's one more vehicle here that's yellow. Can you find it? Yay, you did it! You found the yellow tow truck. Let's get all of our yellow vehicles out doing their job. See you later! For the next assignment, we need a blue vehicle. Can you point out which vehicle is blue? No. You chose a red bus. Right now, we're looking for a blue vehicle. Which vehicle is blue? Perfect! You found the blue bus. See you later, blue bus. For the last assignment, we need a green vehicle. Show me which vehicle is green. Perfect! You got it on the first try. You chose the green dump truck. Have a good day! Well, red bus, it looks like we don't need you today. You can go back into your garage. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time. If you liked our video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you!